So I'm here at the Murrieta Farmers Market, see what I can get.
Dot next to it means it's here today. Anything on this menu is fresh, never been frozen. The red number on both is the price for.
So far, I've been able to pick up soap, sausage. Was that apples? We picked up apples. Apples. They ran out of eggs, but now I think I need some oranges or something. Okay, so this is the loot. Smoked Hungarian sausage. This is what he recommended. What did he say exactly? I just remember him saying it was his favorite.
Sweet, smoked taste to it.
Okay. Yeah. Ready to eat. So, it's gonna be some good. And then 3 pounds of blood oranges. Some soap. I always like the homemade kind. They're always really good. Let's see, what's the second one? I have sensitive skin, so I just can't. Every time I can find things like this, I always get them. I don't even know what kind of apples are in here. She just kind of gave us a mix, and that's all she wrote. Yep. But here, just if anybody in the Temecula, Murrieta area wants to know where I got that sausage from, hit that guy up. He's really nice. So yeah, so there you have it. I know that the corporations are gonna be okay if you go and shop at like the Walmarts and the Targets and stuff like that. They're gonna be fine. Their supply chain is good. So if you can, if you have a farmer's market nearby, go and support them. They need our help more than ever right now. Same thing with small businesses, restaurants, get some takeout once in a while. You know, we gotta help each other out right now. Yeah, that's it for me. But still, of course, wash your hands, keep social distancing. Then, you know, 6 feet away, do your thing. I gotta go eat, I gotta go put some stuff on. Look at me, I look like ass. Anyways, stay safe, stay positive, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Late.